In this video, we will learn how shell expansion works and how we can use file globbing to make our lives easier. When using a command that deals with a large number of files, the shell can match a path name based on some meta characters. When using file globbing for matching file names or path names, the meta characters are replaced by the list of matching path names prior to the command execution. Global characters are the wild characters, the question mark, the exclamation mark, the square bracket. The asterisk or a star represents zero or more characters. Question mark represent exactly one character. Square bracket and characters inside represent and match for the character enclosed within this square bracket. Should be inside. The ls command is very helpful to learn about file and directory globbing. To list every file that has a name starting with some character such as D and followed by anything, we can use command ls star D star. I have this file over there. We start with the D, so it matches that. Now I'm going to list files that end with T or H. Let me see what are the files I have with the ls. Okay, I will try for this one again, but now we are going to match if the file name end with the H. So for that, I will do ls star. That means any number of characters that star, and then at the end should match H. So this file seems like it. So it's gonna enter, and it found that file. We can also find all file with a given extension. For example, if I want to search for like all the text files over here like txt, then I can do ls star dot txt. You can see it found that file too. Now we are going to change to etc directory. I'm gonna do cd etc. Now we are in that directory. Over here, I'm just gonna type echo and then star. Over here, the shell replaces the wildcard character with a list of files in the current directory and print them separate by white space. We can mix the brackets with our globbing characters. For example, I'm just gonna move to my root again. And over here, I'm going to use AB inside a bracket along with the asterisk character or asterisk symbol. I'll use ls then minus l and then give the path of a directory, for example dev, then st, and in the bracket I will do a and b. That means it will match a or b with the file name, and over here after that I need to put asterisk sign. That means any character after a or b it will matches. Then just hit enter. Gonna be ls dev sd. There should be a forward slash before that. I missed that one. So over here, just gonna type it. You can see it lists as SDA. All of those. This implies the expansion of all file names that contains under tab SDA or tab SDB to follow by any number of characters. To keep on learning, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. Thank you for watching.